what me I say right now, Usain Bolt. You see me I say we are watching an interview with Usain Bolt on Profile. You see me I say with Ian Boyne, and what me I say Usain Bolt touch some real positive point about racism in Jamaica, and that's a fact. You know what I mean? That's a fact, because the upper class set of people which them call themselves uptown people never like to see somebody from the ghetto rise. You see me as I understand Usain Bolt, when Usain Bolt I say when him go rent an apartment where some high class people there, you see me a lot of fight and him have to just run from them people there and go build him own house. You see me I say racism, bad mind. You see me? Yo, Jamaica, positive point now because we know history. We study a lot. You know what I mean? Alright, watch me now. Me understand our nation, Jamaican. Me understand that. Me do me research. Me do history. You see, Jamaican people, me understand, but this is the thing where we need to change. We can't continue. Where we gonna find the better tomorrow? How we gonna have Jamaica, the land we love? Where? When? You see me answer because watch you now. You see in slavery days, all the bad determined warrior slave them, you know. Bahamas, Trinidad, Curacao, this Bermuda, in all the Caribbean, when them have some slave, you know, and them can't manage them slave there because them slave they unruly. You know where them carry them slave they go? Pan Jamaica Island, the land we love. You know what I mean? So it's a tradition thing why Jamaican people mentality stay this way. We aggressive and we illiterate. Is about a tradition thing we are come from the slave, because as me tell you, the unruly slave them from the other Caribbean island, them carry them go Jamaica. And that's why Jamaican people so rebellious, because the slave them was like that. Them fight them. You see me as a Jamaican slave them unruly. So it's a tradition and it's a thing when in a Jamaican people or Jamaican nation DNA. You see, but we right now the time changing, you know, man. We can see where technology and everything advance and everything and move fast. Yo, we need to let go off of them mentality. We don't need for a bad mind and get to youth for a next man things. You see, we don't need to see a man a try and a rise and yet you want to take him down. Then how come we go make it? How come we are going to have a better country? You see me I say? Where? You know what I mean? When? Right now, Usain Bolt touch some real point, man. Racism and bad mind, man. It full up a lot of Jamaican people, man. It full them up, them, it inner them, man. And we know it. And that is the big problem of Jamaica. You see me I say? Because after Jamaica, so beautiful, the land we love. You see me I say? We is the most violent nation in the Caribbean. You see? Me the Curacao now, and honestly, we can tell you this. When me the Curacao and me see the life and the culture of Curacao, me I go tell you no straight, you know, because me the Curacao now. You see, in a Curacao, you know find 5 murder for 1 year. Me can tell you that, me live here so. 5 people not get murder for 1 year. And Jamaica, how much I get murder for 1 year? 1,300, 1,200. Jamaican people, we need to wise up. We are live like people in ISIS and Afghanistan. You see me? We need to wise up, man, and stop kill off the talented people them, because we are kill talent in Jamaica. And Jamaica, we can say this to you, you know. You see, Jamaican island is one of the nation, the Jamaican nation, is the most talentedest black people them in the Caribbean. When we are take it, Usain Bolt take it to them athletic. Vybz Kartel take it to them dancehall. Bob Marley take it to them reggae. You see me I say? We have a lot of talented people in Jamaica where we need to recognize. Mike Tyson take it in boxing, sports. So we need to stop kill each other because we are kill talent in Jamaica. So this is a message to all Jamaican youth them, because somebody have to talk it out and bring out the message, you know. Because everybody, as me say, they watch people life, and you see me I say them have the time out to watch people life more than them I think about to have a better future and have a better life for themselves. Every man is like a feel life them I watch. You see me? Yeah man, so me respect Usain Bolt for the interview and the message him bring out. You see me I say, as a ghetto youth, me can see who Usain really are. Usain is a real ghetto youth when not change and when not switch. You see me? And Usain Bolt I go through a lot of pressure. Why? Because Usain Bolt is a ghetto youth where him no go far in schooling just like some other people who go university and study 20 years and them think they fi reach with them there. Usain Bolt just run pan a track. You see me I say? And come becomes a millionaire, and that I heard a lot of them high class people there. Them appreciate Usain Bolt for bring Jamaican global, but them don't appreciate the ghetto where the youth come from. So you can see Jamaican people them bad mind, and them have a lot of racism in them. You see, a man black, but him still cuss you and say you're black like, but you is the same black man. You see me? So me I say, you see say Jamaican people mentality gone. You see, me don't know what if the system a pressure them or make them mind gone or what. Or you see me I say, but yo, them need to change them mentality, man. It's time to wise up now, man. You see? Stop bad mind people, man. It's a new world we living in now, man. You see me? The world gone past Jamaica. People them. Them need to know this. The world past them gone by far. You see? Yeah man, so what me I say, man, just go and hold the faith, man, and go and live up right, man, and just think about your life, man. Think about future, man. Think about to reach to the highest goal, man, and that every other people are think about right now, man. Set on your life, man. Work for your things, man. Stop kill a man for what them have. You see what me I say? Stop bad mind a man for what them have and go fix your life, man, because yo, the world is big, you know, man. And just like how Father God no fall rain for one house top. And same way the things is out there for every man. But what you do with your time? You waste your time and talk about when Father God bless you. You see me? While another man go out there and work for him things, and then you steer so and you start look upon him and talk to pray him like, yo, them man ya boss and them man ya hype and them man ya feel dead because of what? Just throw a man off, you know. You see me? Because a lot of people in Jamaica, and this as an experience of my life. A lot of Jamaican people will get up and fight with people and say them don't like people. If you go check that out, them people they don't do them nothing, you know. Them can't give you a proper reason to say them hate the person, yeah. You understand? If you sit down and them tell you why them don't like the people, it's because somebody else say them not like the people, you know, so them not like the people neither. It's because when the man have, you know, them say the man too bossy and the man too hype. Yo, Jamaican people, we need to wise up, man. We need to wise up. You know what I mean? We need to wise up. Yeah, man. The man, them bad mind on the for real, man. You see me, I say, you see him about you talking truth, man. You see me? Them have racism in them, man. You have to can do a lot of things with them to stay relevant. And when you cannot do it no more, you're not relevant no more. Them not recognize you. Them not recognize the good nor nothing. You see what I mean there? Yeah man, so is the life man, but we there go and watch the life man and observe everything man and know say yo, we have to just go and fight it. Because the system there and set us against each other. We kill each other. You see me? And these things are going from long time. You see me I say? It are going because of politics. How could it be possible for a politician man buy gun give him party member, the next politician man buy guns for give him politician? We do what with it? We kill each other. So if you kill out all PNP, only labor right people live in our country. And if you kill out all labor right, only PNP people live in our country. What kind of system they might implement for our black brothers and sisters? You see me? We need to go back in our history and start to use with history in them political affairs, because a war fears them develop and train us and teach us to live. And them same one turn around and set police to say shoot and ask question after. Politicians do that. Them mash up Jamaica. Because me can tell you this. Jamaican government can do much more better than what them do right now. Me can tell you this because me in this country and me can tell you this. The band them economy stable. No violence and robbery going and violence going worldwide. But them have this thing here under control. I mean, Jamaican people, them Jamaican government, them know where the problem is. You see me? But them set it so because what? Them benefit from it. You maybe not believe that them benefit, but them benefit a lot when we war and kill each other. And them drink champagne and cheers. You see me? We last. We need to find back we pass. I'm out.
Sometimes I never really feel like saying I come the way I do.